I apologize. Listen, mother. Oh, right now.
Hey guys, it's Coach Tim with Independent MMA in Noonan, Georgia. Today we're going to go over a defense of when a guy's coming on too close. If you saw the video I posted earlier, the short form content, as a guy got attacked, and it happened because he made a few mistakes. He allowed the guy to get too close, and he even allowed the guy to back him into a vehicle. There's no exit here. This is horrible. This is always a bad idea. So the first tip I'm going to break down for you is the rangefinder. This is the I don't want any trouble. So as Slappy starts coming to me, I come back. I want you to notice what I do with my rear foot as I step back and my hand comes up. This is my range. This is my personal space. This is my bubble. I'm letting him know I don't want any trouble. And the second that he touches it, he has made a decision at that point to come through my personal space. And I'm going to attack him with my rear hand. It's already in the back. My right foot is already posted back here. And I'm already in a fighting stance, but I'm non-defensive. It's non-aggressive. I don't want you to come in, strike. That's number one. Going into number two is I've got to know my surroundings. So if Slappy comes in from this angle, I know I don't back up. I'm going to hit a wall, no escape. I know I can't go this way because I'm going to hit a corner and there's no escape. There's only one way that this makes sense, and I don't want to go through him because then I'm the aggressor. I'm the one engaging in the fight. I'm starting the fight, the physical altercation. So I don't want to do that. So as he steps in, I start stepping around. I don't want any trouble. And notice how I'm getting myself in position. Hopefully, I touch him and he stops, and the fight stops. If it doesn't, I need to be prepared. I can be prepared with this right hand, boom. If his hands stay where they're at, I can also be prepared with a rear leg, boom, with a big kick, anywhere from the groin to the throat.